So the group marketing prize is only a success because of the generous contribution from members. So without you guys contributing a prize, there's nothing to draw, there's nothing to give away, and it falls over. So in the past, members have jumped up and been able to donate $3,500 worth of prize, which is our average every year. So it's amazing generosity, and we're really grateful for that. If you'd like to get involved and donate a prize, we would really like that. All you have to do is fill out the form below and send it through to us, and we'll touch base with you and work out the logistics of it all. You just need to remember that it needs to be a customer prize. So not all customers are business owners. So it's not a free set of business cards, because a heap of customers out there are in jobs and don't need your business cards. So it's something that needs to be useful for an everyday mum, dad, dudette. So just make sure it's a customer focused prize, not a business focused prize. So just fill in the form below and we'll touch base with you, and we really appreciate your contribution. So thank you.